This play-to-earn game released on October 26th will drive you crazy, that's for sure. You're going to create your own business and sell a product, and the whole game is based on that.
Here we go again.
It's certainly the most captivating P2 e-gaming experience I've played so far, second only to Axie Infinity. To give you an idea, on the first day I started earning money, Legacy appears to be a campaign mode game, but the experience is all online. Create a product and set up your own production method. That's basically it. And as you progress, there are some variables that you have to keep an eye on, like the workers' rest, their pay, banks, cultural monuments, etc. Almost everything can be built with clicks, the famous idle or tap and hold style. With the workers you place in the city, you can automate almost everything. Each worker has their own family, and sometimes you even interact with them or their families. At first, like any company, you'll have to get your hands dirty, clicking and helping your workers. But as you go along, your production line starts to become very automated. I recommend you focus on automating this mode of production, so you don't have to click all the time and only manage a few specific points in the game. You will have 3 types of currency. Dollars, which is the in-game currency. Gems, which you only get 100 of a day, so you can enter in beginning events. Or you can buy more gems in the Gala Games store. It's up to you. And then there are the legacy tickets that you get at the events. These tickets you can exchange for the Gala token to make some money. There are 2 main types of events in Legacy: design competitions and profit sales competitions. All events begin on hourly rotation around the clock, and all events cost gems to enter, with more gems required for higher leagues. The game has a few types of event leagues, and you start in the beginner league, which will pay around 117.5 to 940 legacy tickets per event, subtracted by the percentage of the key you choose. Does everyone who takes part in the events win? Of course not. Only the top 5 if the event fills all the player slots. On the Legacy Light Paper, they say that they convert the tickets for the token gala once a day, and the percentage of that conversion will depend on how many gems players spend that day. I took part in a design competition and came second, winning 199 tickets on the first day playing Legacy. From what I've seen, the design competition is the best for you to take part in, because it's real people voting on your design, which is very interesting. And it's probably better than competing with other people who probably will be more automated than you at the start. In the sales and profit events, that's why it's best to get in soon, so you can progress faster and get ahead of the laggards. The game is only 3 days old at the time I'm recording this video, and they usually reward players better in interesting ways at the beginning. Soon I'll bring you more information about how much money you can actually make from the game without investing anything. But as you've seen, I've already won legacy tickets on my first day in the game. Lucky? Maybe. We'll see as the days go by. Before you leave, subscribe to the channel, comment on what you thought of Legacy in the comments section, and hit the like button. See you soon, and let's make money.